tried or attempted to develop an approach for different system through which it can solve or give solution to environmental aspect and social sciences. Change the para. According to him, system analysis consists of living things and non-living things, and each system has some plan, framework and purpose. Each system has some plan, purpose and framework. Understood? Each system has. तो आप कोई भी सिस्टम देख रहे हो, अपने पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम देख रहे हो, एनी सिस्टम, ही सेड दैट सोशल साइंसेस के लिए भी, so he said that each system has some what plan, some kind of what framework and some purpose. और उस सिस्टम में क्या है, there is some kind of what I said that living things and I said that non-living things. Understood? Change the para. System analysis are based on following. System analysis is based on following three important factors. Based on following three important factors. First, allometry, ALLO, allometry. Second one, hierarchy, and then third one, entropy. Understood? I said that suppose allometry, if I am talking about, can I say that the parliamentary system is one of the part of a government, the whole as a nation? And if the parliamentary system will grow, then the nation as a whole will grow. Yes? If our hand will grow, as a body will also grow proportionally and other things. So he said that within the system, the growth of a system causes in proportionality growth as a whole system. He said that because system is, and I said that coming under several other system. I said that states are growing, then the nation is also growing. Yes? Every elements of a system is growing, the system as a whole system will also grow. So what is the allometry? He said that the growth of system प्रोपोर्शनली काउजिंग ग्रोथ ऑफ, प्रोपोर्शनलिटली मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि ये ज्यादा हाथ बढ़ गया और ये ऐसे हो गया, प्रोपोर्शन, सब अपने प्रोपोर्शन में, प्रोपोर्शनलिटी causing the growth as a whole system. So write down growth of a system, growth of a system, allometry, growth of a system as a whole, growth of a system causing growth of a system as a whole, growth of a system as a whole, growth of a system is causing growth of a system as a whole. एक system as a whole है and one system is part of it. Understood? And next one is, I said that hierarchy. Next one I said hierarchy. So in this system flow of energy should be कैसा होना चाहिए? In the hierarchical form. कभी भी किसी सिस्टम में एनर्जी है. If I said that parliamentary system has energy or not, tell me. है कि नहीं है? पावर है. उससे नीचे एक और आगे हम किसी और सिस्टम में एनर्जी है. Yes or not? They are acting on this power. So the hierarchies, I said that elements of the hierarchy, I said that system is having there and system has some elements also there. So every system has some kind of, I said that power and then energy are flowing across the hierarchy. I said to maintain the system as a whole. Understood? The flow of energy should be in the form of hierarchy to maintain the system as a whole. यदि कोई भी इसमें सिस्टम में कोई खराबी कहीं पे आ रही है तो flow of hierarchy will break and we cannot be able to make a best hierarchy at the top. So there should be a flow of energy in the form of hierarchy as a whole system as a whole. So write down flow of energy through hierarchy of system as a whole. Next, entropy. Entropy you must be understanding. What is entropy? Yes? Huh? Measurement of randomness. और क्या होगा? Degree of disturbances. Yes or not? So if the entropy of a system is low, then it is good or it is bad? System का entropy यदि कम है तो that is good. That system is a stabilized system. Understood? So entropy means degree of disturbance or randomness. Yes or not? Less randomness means stability is there. More randomness, it is less. So I said that entropy means degree of uncertainty in a system. Degree of uncertainty in a system. Understood? Degree of, so how much system is uncertain? If it is more uncertain, high entropy, then system will not exist, and if the system is less entropy, then the system will exist. So what are the three things important part of this system analysis or general system theory? I said that based on what are the three? Allometry, hierarchy and entropy. Allometry समझ में आ गया? System, growth of a system will lead to the what? Growth of system as a whole. And then flow of hierarchy, flow of energy through the hierarchy in a system as a whole. Understood? To maintain it. And then I said that entropy, degree of uncertainty in a system. Understood it? Now, system analysis. If I am talking about this system analysis, and geography is a very wide area, we know that. So what is the system analysis? System analysis, according to Ludwig von Bertalanffy, is a geographical analysis. And in the geographical analysis, we are finding out what is an interaction between living and non-living things, which is in a complex and difficult task. Which is in a complex and difficult task. Who said? And he also said that the geographical entity or analysis is consist of several circumstances. It is also consist of several circumstances. And what are the circumstances? It is in a space, location, density of any kind of density per square kilometer. How do the sprawl is there? Sprawl means population is increasing, industry is increasing, vegetation is increasing, vegetation is decreasing. So anything I said. He talked about cultural organization which is growing, and then so it is talking about what he is talking about. He said that system analysis in a geographical analysis, and geographical analysis consists of, I said that, interaction between living things and non-living things, and it is in a complex. This interaction is what I said, that difficult and full of complexities. Understood? And this geographical analysis contains some circumstances, which is, I said that, space, time, sprawl, density, anything which is existing in the system. So write down. Next point, system analysis is a geographical analysis System analysis is a geographical analysis which consists of interaction between living thing and non-living thing as a difficult or complex task, as a difficult and complex task. And geographical analysis includes some circumstances, and geographical analysis includes some circumstances. ये सारे जो सिस्टम I said that living thing, non-living thing कहाँ पे interact कर रहे हैं? In the some space? Yes or not? In a over the time period they are interacting. What is a growth? What is their sprawl? What is the density per square kilometer? Understood? So geographical analysis includes some circumstances like space, time, growth, sprawl, density per square kilometer, etc. I said, now can we say that system analysis में there are several elements, and all the elements somewhere directly or indirectly having some relationship है? जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे, एनी सिस्टम, कोई भी एक सिस्टम एज्यूम करो, एनी सिस्टम, विच सिस्टम हैव यू एज्यूम्ड? फूड चेन. Food chain as a ecosystem, as a system, you can say that, and food chain is a part of it. So यहाँ पर चाहे कोई भी एलिमेंट्स आप कोई खा रहे हो, तो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं कोई खत्म हो रहा है, तो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली वी आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. सपोज आई सेड दैट डियर्स, टाइगर फिनिशेस डियर्स इज इंक्रीजिंग बट द ग्रासेस आर फिनिशिंग, लेकिन उसके वजह से समवेयर सॉइल इरोजन इज हैपनिंग एंड वी आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. यस और नॉट? वी आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. तो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली हैविंग सम relationship. So I said that, which I said system analysis has an elements which I said that somewhere directly or indirectly having some. Understood? लेकिन सिस्टम में एक और चीज हम लोग देखते हैं. इन सिस्टम एनालिसिस वी आर गिविंग प्रोमिनेंस टू सम फीचर्स and we are giving obscure to some feature. ऐसा होता है सिस्टम में, ऐसा होता है. Yes, which is supposed to be very much important, we give the importance to it, prominence to that feature, and some features which is not too much important, it is the part of it, but we do not give importance. ऐसा होता है. Can you say any example? अपनी लाइफ, अपने सिस्टम को ले लो आप. नाक के बाल जरूरी है कि नहीं है, but you are not giving too much importance. Yes, so many things in our body as a system, so many things in the ecosystem, so many things in the political system, so many things in the economical system. Yes or no? आप देखते हो labors are is an important part. They are the features of industrial, yes or no, industries and all, but the people are giving importance. They are as an obscure as a feature. They are the feature. Industries के अंदर में feature हैं, but they are obscure. Prominence is what? Products are coming and then India as a nation, GDP is growing and then all. National income should grow. लेकिन HDI में पता नहीं कहाँ पर. So I said that within a system, system analysis has an consists of several elements. There is a relationship, but there is an, I said that some features are prominent and some features are obscure. Who said? Ludwig von Beethoven. Write down. System analysis